Welcome to Mr. Mac's Physics channel. He can explain things really well and is a lot of fun to watch.
Hello, Mr. Mac, and we're looking at electromagnetism and some of the applications of electromagnetism in our society. On the bench here I have a DC motor, and the DC motor is set up so that it's connected to 12-volt power supply and a tapping key to close the circuit. And when I do close the circuit, you'll see that this DC motor spins. And here we go. Quite clearly, it's spinning and making quite a bit of noise. Now, one other application of electromagnetism is this triple beam balance. Before electronic digital scales, this is how we weighed the mass of various objects in the science lab. So let me just take the DC motor and show you how it works. Put it on top there, and we move these masses until we get a reading like that. Now you'll notice that this has seemingly nothing to do with electromagnetism, and yet I can tell you for a fact that it uses eddy currents. The eddy currents are because there are two magnets right at the end here on either side of an aluminium blade. So as it goes up and down, you'll notice it doesn't keep going up and down. It is dampened, and it's dampened because of eddy currents being induced in the aluminium, and it slows down because of ohmic resistance. There's a key phrase to remember. And I can tell you that the DC motor weighs 126.5 grams. Now, how do we know that this is a DC motor? Let me take this closer so you can see. As we look at the DC motor, we can see that it has a split ring commutator at the top. So as I turn that, you can see the split. You'll also notice the permanent magnets on either side and the copper wire in the middle. And the two brushes are made of copper, and they're bent to touch the split ring commutator. There are several ways we can make this more efficient, but I'm going to leave that for you to answer. And there is the DC motor. I'm Mr. Mac. Thanks for watching.